Alright guys, so we are in Morant Bay, St. Thomas. That's where we are. They're still doing some work on this road. They're reinforcing this roadway because the ocean is taking over. So that's what's happening. So we have GPS realigning the light posts on this roadway. They're widening, and they're also putting a major concrete barricade or barrier to break the ocean and to reinforce the land. So they have been working here for a while. Alright, so that's how we're starting out this video. So we'll be driving through the town of Morant Bay. That's what we're doing today. We are in St. Thomas. So I wanted to show you guys around Morant Bay. I know not everyone gets to visit this side often. So here goes. So enjoy the drive. Leave a comment. And for who don't know, I'm Rush, the Discover Boss. And you're on Rush Raymore Reviews. So you definitely need to leave a comment and share the video. So thanks for clicking. Enjoy. So again, we'll go out to the gas station and then we'll take the old road through the town of Morant Bay. Alright guys, so we'll start the video here. Let's make a 180 and then we'll go back through the town of Morant Bay. I'm not sure many of you guys is from this side, but if you came from St. Thomas, if you came from Morant Bay, if you're living this side right now, just let us know in the comment section so we can give you a big up, a thumbs up. So we'll take Queen Street and we'll take a drive through the town. A lot of different business and organization. We have Department of Correctional Service on the right, beauty store, clothes store, restaurant, restaurant again, guest house, loans, First Heritage Credit Union, church. So a lot of different businesses throughout the town. The road needs some work though. The road is very bad. We have a Texaco gas station squeeze right here. We have NCB. We have some plazas around the place. These persons look like they're waiting on taxi or bus. We have a tasty restaurant. This is the market district now. So the Morant Bay market is on the right. Again, some more lone place. We have St. Thomas Parish Library on the left. Lucky Dollar Furniture on the right. We have a Juicy Beef coming up. We have a Harder on the left. Scotia on the left. At Scotia Bank, then Jamaica National Bank. So everything is mapped into the Morant Bay town area, so persons have access to different businesses We have an NHD office on the right. Furniture store again. You have some older type buildings. So this side is one way. So we're now passing Debtors Lane. We have sports bar, game lounge. We have a law office. Something is constructing right here on the left. We'll take this right turn to end up where the video started. So again guys, Morant Bay, St. Thomas, if you're from this side, let us know in the comment section. And remember to like, comment, share. Also go over to my new Instagram page, Raymore Reviews-Jamaica, and definitely follow me there as well. Alright guys, as usual, thanks for watching. Thanks for your continued support. And again, this video was a quick drive through the town of Morant Bay.